Hello everyone, welcome to visit our video. Today I'd like to share with you this item, artificial single dahlia. For this item, the total height is 53 cm and the weight is 19 grams. For packing, this item is 48 pieces per box and 480 pieces each carton. For material, the petals and leaves are made of polyester and the flower stem is made of PE with iron wire inside, so it's very easy to fold in and cut short. This flowers is for spring and autumn season. For this flowers language is generous, rich, grateful, and fresh. It symbolizes bring good luck to people, so it's the best gift for friends. So it's very suitable for display in every corner of the home, and it's very easy to take care. So do you like it?